Welcome back. Today I will show you how to write your very first program. So create a new folder in your C drive and call it C++ Builder Projects. This is where we will put all our projects. Now open your C++ Builder by clicking the icon. Your first screen may not be the same as mine. For me, I've created several other projects. So just click on the File, New, and select Windows VCL Application, C++ Builder. And immediately you have a form. Then now you can click on this project here, setting, and you can see the build configuration in the debug. So change this to release. And then now click on this button here to run. So when you click this button to run, it will build your project and run it. So there's nothing here at the moment, so we are going to put something on the form. So let's close this. So this is your form. When you click on the form, on the bottom left corner you will see your form properties. So scroll down and look for caption. And the caption is what is shown on top of the form here. Changes to hello, and immediately you see here hello is reflected. And now inside here you can put some text. So to put a text, just go to the right hand side here, type label, L-A-B-E-L, and then you will find label there. Just double click and the label will be shown there. So now that you have this label here, we will set the caption for this. Click on label, go to the caption here, properties, and then here say hello world. So now you have a label which you can move around with the text hello world. So let's run it again. And now this is your first program, hello world. After you have done this, you should save your project. Click on File, Save Project As, and then select the new folder which you created. Inside here, create a new folder, call it 01-hello, and then open it and then click save. And then here again click save inside the same folder, and one more time in the same folder click save. And over here, if you want, you can change the name of your exe by right clicking it, rename. You can call it hello. Now you run again. And here you see hello world. You can also run it from the folder itself by going to the 01-hello, open it, click on Win32, and then under release, double click, and you will see hello here. So if you double click on this, it will also run. So this is your first program in Hello World. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.